In this video, we're going to show you how to sign in for your ebook and create a password. So first, we're going to go to the link that your educator should have sent you, which is right here. That will get you to the login page. So let's go there. So this is the page. So your educator should have sent you a big long number that's an access code. You get 3 devices that you can use this code in, and you will put that here and then collect send. I can't exactly remember how it works from here, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Do they send you an email? I'm not sure. Now it's going to ask you to create a username and password, and the username can be an email, it can be your name, it can be a nickname. The password needs to be between 8 and 16 characters, but where I see my students messing up is when they go to view their ebooks, they keep going back to this access code. But after you create your email, or your password, you stay on the first page and you access it from here. And happy studying, everyone. Bye.